But we are gonna over 5 billion people can see this, right? But before we start talk, right? Sure, you know some know your bossy. You know you're smart, you know, so I'm gonna have to give you a briefing, right? You ready? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to In the Streets. You know what time it is? Way past bedtime. But guess what? Little SAMOYA is here with her mommy and her daddy. What we're about to do is gonna create history on YouTube. SAMOYA, good evening. Speak up a little louder now, man. Good evening. What is my name? Tell the world what my name.
Uncle Big Stone.
Alright, Uncle Big Stone, but watch this. SAMOYA, you told me the other day that you wanted to become a flight attendant. You remember that?
Yes.
Why? Tell the world, what do you want to become?
Flight attendant.
Speak up a little louder now, man.
Flight attendant.
Flight attendant. No, I asked you two questions. Take your hand for your face, man, because you're not shy. I asked you two questions, right? I asked you the first question. I said, why do you want to be a flight attendant? You remember what you said? Tell the world what you said.
Because I like to fly.
Speak up a little louder.
Because I like to fly.
Because she likes to fly. That is the if I was eyeing her, she had the job on the spot. Yeah. I asked you another question, right? And I said, so you like to fly. What else do you like to do? And what did you tell me?
Right.
Tell the people.
To cook.
But you tell me something else. To what serve? Tell me.
Like to serve.
What you say? You like to serve people. All right then. What does a flight attendant do?
Serve
Look at the camera and tell them loud.
Serve food.
All right. And make sure the customer for whatever airline, take your hand from your face, man. You're too pretty to be hiding yourself. Let me do the hiding. When you serve people on the airline, right? You take care of your passenger and you make your passenger feel good. How old are you now?
4.
Talk out loud, no, man.
4.
Show me by your finger. How much finger? Show the camera how much finger. You see, she's smart. You're 4 years old. I asked her never, no, me and I never planned for this in a crowd of people. And I said, boy, I mean, I saw me a friend and Ray. We never planned to do this at all. SAMOYA,
Yes.
you like reggae music?
Yes.
What do you like about reggae music? Speak up loud, make everybody hear.
You like the beat or what you like about it?
You don't like reggae music. You like Vibes Cartel?
Yes.
Tell me why you like Vibes Cartel. Look for the camera and tell the camera why you like Vibes Cartel.
Look on camera and do this.
Why you like Vibes Cartel?
She washing face with the cake.
Hmm? You never use no cake soap, eh? Why you like Vibes Cartel?
Tell the reason why I like it, baby.
Huh?
She like the song.
You like the song? Tell the people what you like about Vibes Cartel, boy.
I like
Can
the
Yeah, the song.
Which one of Vibes Cartel song are your favorite? Let me